Hello, creative people. Welcome back to our little corner of art and inspiration. Today we're going to talk about something that seems simple, but can be a real challenge in watercolor: painting a fried egg. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with the sketch of the fried egg. I make a circle representing the yolk, and then draw the white, which is very irregular. In the region of the egg white, we will draw some irregularities like holes in the frying. In the first step, we will start with the paint very diluted. In this case, I am using the color cadmium yellow to make the egg yolk. We will start by watercoloring a circle. The egg white does not need to be white, so here we will use the color Payne's gray mixed with a little sepia, just to make the irregular outline of the egg white, just like we did in the sketch. At some points, brush this color mixture inside the egg white so that it has spots. In the second step, we will use the same colors but a little stronger to start giving contrast to our fried egg. In the area of the yolk, we will add a little orange. In the egg white, we will reinforce the edges with the colors we used previously. Take the opportunity to make those irregular bubbles in the egg white. These bubbles give the appearance of frying. I teach the technique for this egg and other delicacies in my new book, Watercolor with Flavor: Delicacies Without the Use of Sketches. The book is for sale on Amazon. Take advantage of it. It is still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. The link to purchase is in the video description. In this third and final step, we will add textures and finishes to bring the fried egg to life. I'm going to add a little bit of orange and a little bit of scarlet, very diluted, to the yolks. In the egg white area, I'm going to use burnt sienna to define the edges and give it that crispy appearance that only a fried egg has. Around the egg yolk, apply a darker shade. If at any point you lose the shine of the egg yolk, don't worry. You can use a white pen, white acrylic paint, or white pencil to add shine after the watercolor has dried. We managed to paint an incredible fried egg using a simple and foolproof method. What did you think? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your artist friends. See you next time, and thank you for watching the video until the end. And buy my book Watercolor with Flavor: Delicacies Without the Use of Sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy. The link is in the video description.